Hi everyone, this is Char with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic messages from your person, your beloved, for the month of October 2021. Like always, we have two piles here. This is pile A, which is the heart, and this is pile B, which is the star. Viewers, you can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you're being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who pick pile A, which is the heart right here, possibly you're somebody who is quite emotional, who wears your heart on your sleeve. I think this October you're going to be ready to confess about your feelings to your confidant. Maybe someone has pulled at your heartstrings and you are going to discuss the same with your sibling or even your friend. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading is the Three of Wands. This card is certainly talking about an uprush of energy. Maybe you are willing to go the distance or you're willing to travel to be with this person. Perhaps this is also a long distance relationship. I think you want to set sail because you want to be with your person. As this is a Wands energy, your person also regards you as someone who is quite hot and seductive. Communication is also going to increase. Possibly, your beloved is going to be very free when it comes to compliments. This could leave you grinning from year to year. Sometimes, this person could also be playing hide and seek as this person's back is towards us. So certainly, you want to question him as to why he has been away from you, or why he hasn't been forthcoming with his phone calls. Maybe in hindsight you will realize that you should have been more patient or polite with him. The next card in this reading is Hourglass. Time is slipping. Possibly, your person and you could be busy on account of work. This is a very creative energy, so you could be neck deep in work. You could be following your passions. I think either of you is also making the effort to bridge the gap. Maybe you are going to bury the differences that you have because you believe that time could be a factor in your relationship. Many of the problems that you could be encountering in October aren't that big from the perspective of time. You do have to make time for each other. Love never waits for anybody, so it's time to mend bridges. You need to iron out the differences that are there, which could creep in October. Sometimes you're going to be mute or your person is going to be going into a shell because we have this card mute. These silences could be quite awkward. So this card is also asking you not to be cocooned in your own world. Rather, you should talk about your differences. You need to thrash the issues which are affecting your relationship. Maybe misunderstandings could creep in over your text messages. Another card in this reading is the religious factors. Religious factors or your social backgrounds could also come in the way when it comes to this connection. Some limitations are there in your relationship. Maybe family members have an issue with it. They could frown upon your connection to your dissimilar religious backgrounds. All these issues could become a thing of the past if you realize the love that you have for each other. Sometimes, this person could also want to kiss goodbye to this relationship because of these differences that are there. But he also realizes that even if he wants to say farewell, he is not good at goodbyes. Physically, you may be apart, or physically there may be a distance, but then this is not something which your soul desires. There's some kind of tussle whether to stay or to walk out of the door or to walk out of each other's lives. Perhaps this person you're dealing with also feels that he's really bad at commitment. We have this card mute. We have this card Hourglass. Time is slipping. Maybe this person feels that he's not going to give you the stability that you want in life. This is the Three of Wands in your reading, which was the first card. So maybe there is a lot of work ahead before you can become one. Maybe at times this person also feels that He suffers from commitment phobia, that he will not be able to give you that happily ever after kind of feeling. He does realize that the two of you are different, or your poles apart, or like chalk and cheese. You have dissimilar ideas about life. Your social backgrounds could also affect this relationship. But there is nothing that cannot be worked upon. The power of love can transcend it all. I think the need here is to go on a journey, to travel with your person, to reconnect with this person. I think this October you need to focus on overcoming these barriers and challenges. You cannot go incommunicado. You cannot give each other the silent treatment. Rather, you need to spell out what is it that your heart truly desires from your person. Finally, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked Barbie, which is the star right here, these are your messages for the month of October from your person or your beloved. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, Barbie, is the High Priestess. This is from the Major Arcana. I think your moods could be an issue here with respect to your connection. Possibly, you should also follow your intuition, your gut feeling. Sometimes, we can disregard a prospective suitor because we believe that this relationship is not going to go the distance. Maybe you should follow your heart. I think it's quite likely that many of you could come across that special someone this October. Maybe somebody is also playing matchmaker. Definitely this person could also be someone from a past life. This person has a huge corner for you, but then you may be undecided. Maybe this person also lives a distant away from you. I think you should understand your feelings. You may be a bit baffled, or you may be a bit confused about your feelings. Even if you're already in a romantic connection, I think these issues could come into play. You're going to gain wisdom this month because we have this card 555, which talks about a wake-up call. The time is now. It's about moving forward, or it's about communication. I think the universe is asking you to wake up to this connection. Possibly it could jolt you from your slumber. Maybe there's something unsatisfactory or something which is making you fretful about this connection. But like I said, this is something, or this connection is related to a past life, because you also picked up the star here. So you should pay attention to what the universe is conveying to you. Be more alert and be more awakened to this relationship. The two of you are also drawn to each other because there are certain lessons that the universe wants you to learn in this lifetime or this October through this connection. Maybe the two of you are also going to share knowledge or share interests you're passionate about. A book could also be exchanged, or perhaps your person is going to read extracts from books. This connection is definitely going to evolve you, or it is going to help you in your ascension process. Deserve love is the next card in this reading. Certainly, Pile B, if you're having those second thoughts, that the past is done and dusted. Maybe you have had a failed relationship in the past. That is why you're wondering whether this relationship deserves your attention. I think your past should not have a bearing on the present or the future. Rather, you should be open to the idea of love. In case Cupid's arrow is going to strike, then you should not ignore it. Like I said, your friend could be playing Cupid or could be playing matchmaker this month. So be prepared, because Cupid's love-tipped arrows can strike anywhere. Your friend is going to convey to you that you should take a deeper look at this connection or take a deeper look at this person. Blind side is the next card. Maybe at times in October you're going to feel stunned and alone. I think for some of you, you may feel ignored. You may feel as though there's been an abrupt end to a connection. You do desire answers from your person, but your person is also going to convey that I will come back for you. Even if a reconnection is not possible in October, this person definitely knows that he needs to reach out to you in the future. Maybe for some of you, this could also imply a future lifetime. I don't know how I feel anymore. These are questions which you need to ask each other, or you need to ask about your connection. Sometimes, walking away from a connection could be confusing. Certainly, October is going to be one which is going to confuse you when it comes to matters of the heart. You could be in two minds whether you need to go ahead with a particular relationship or whether you should call it curtains. Nevertheless, whether it's a karmic relationship or a soulmate relationship, you're learning lessons. As this card here implies. I hope Palby you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.